Hey there, folks! Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for in-depth product reviews. Today, we've got something special in store for you. The best heating pad for menstrual cramps available in the market, the Yeeman Portable Cordless Heating Pad. Let's dive right into the details. If you're someone who experiences menstrual cramps, back pain, or discomfort, this portable heating pad might just be your new best friend. It's packed with features that make it a standout choice. Here are the key features that set the Yeeman Portable Cordless Heating Pad apart. This heating pad is cordless, allowing you to use it anywhere without being tied to a power outlet. You can even wear it discreetly under your clothes. It's like having your personal comfort zone on the go. When it comes to relieving pain, time is of the essence. This pad heats up in just 3 seconds, providing quick relief when you need it most. With 3 heat levels to choose from, you can customize your experience to suit your comfort level. Whether you need gentle warmth or intense heat, this pad has you covered. While not a traditional massage, the 3 vibration modes offer an extra layer of comfort and relaxation. It's like a mini spa experience right at home. Say goodbye to constantly buying and replacing batteries. This heating pad is rechargeable via standard USB cable, making it cost-effective and eco-friendly. Now, a couple of usage tips based on my experience and customer feedback. The heating pad can get quite hot, so it's advisable to place a thick piece of fabric between your skin and the pad for added comfort and safety. The battery lasts for about 2 hours, so keep an eye on the charge if you plan to use it for an extended period. In conclusion, the Yeeman Portable Cordless Heating Pad is a must-have for anyone seeking relief from menstrual cramps, back pain, or general discomfort. Its portability, fast heating, adjustable settings, and rechargeable battery make it a versatile and reliable choice. That's it for today's review on Product Critique. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button for more insightful product reviews. And as always, leave your thoughts and questions in the comments below. Until next time, stay comfortable and pain-free.